This is my new Spider-Man mask, just came today. Hold on. Here it is. Hold on. I'm putting it on. Hold on. Let me just put it on.
Do I show them a shield? Huh? Oh, yes it is.
Kind of. Not really.
Stop.
Alright, hold on. Just hooking up the Velcro. Alright, come on. Hold on. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty good too. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna go show you guys my new web shooter replicas. Alright, so here are my web shooters. Pretty good. And then my War Machine replica mask that I made out of cardboard and string. So yeah, my new Spider-Man mask.